Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2024 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row.
This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.